Today I'm going to demonstrate how to use the two common equipment in meal preparation, the blender and the air fryer. I'm going to prepare a smoothie for my patient. Make sure that the blender is in a dry and flat surface. Next, I'm going to put the ingredients I prepared beforehand into the cup. These are melon cubes. Pour some milk. Then put the blade and seal firmly. Start operating the blender by pushing it downwards and moving it clockwise. Pour the contents into a glass. Next, I'm going to prepare some buttered toast for my patient. Put the bread with butter into the air fryer. And close it. Adjust the temperature to 180 degrees and set the timer for 3 minutes. It's done. Using a tongue, transfer the bread into a plate. It's your breakfast po.
Ay.